Turn to our lead story this half hour. A new court ruling which has everybody stunned in this country. We have told you before about people who walk around with video cameras hidden in bags, filming underneath women's skirts, girls' skirts, down their blouses, then taking the images and putting them on the internet so the millions of people can tap in and see them. Well, here's the stunner. It turns out that this, apparently in some states, is perfectly legal. And we begin with ABC's Neil Karlinski and his report.
This video was taken up a woman's skirt without her knowledge. It's a form of voyeurism known as upskirting. Video cameras hidden and rigged to shoot up a woman's skirt or down her blouse without her even knowing it. The video usually ends up on websites, hundreds of them, that feature sex videos. Jolene Jang was caught on tape by one of these cameras while walking to get ice cream at a street festival near Seattle's Space Needle.
It blew me away. I was pretty much speechless.
The man who recorded the tape was initially found guilty of voyeurism, but he appealed. The case went all the way to the Washington State Supreme Court, where, to the surprise of prosecutors, lawmakers, and certainly the victim, this sort of taping was ruled disgusting and reprehensible, but not against the law.
Right now, I think it's saying to all the college boys, high school kids, and random perverts, hey, it's okay.
The justices ruled unanimously the state's voyeurism law doesn't apply because the women were taped in a public place, such as a park or shopping mall, where there was no reasonable expectation of privacy. Seattle Police Captain Neil Lowe handles voyeurism cases.
So I'm still outraged, but not at the judges. I'm outraged that there's a flaw in the system and we need to fix it.
Until new laws kick in, there is a sort of street justice at work. The man who took this video found out he may be safe from the law, but there is apparently no protection from an angry boyfriend.
Quit filming up my girlfriend's skirt.
Neil Karlinski, ABC News, Seattle.
Well, as we said, a lot of people were, their mouths dropped open at that decision, but we're joined now by Jolene Jang, who's probably the most stunned of all. What did you say and think when you heard the ruling?
I was shocked. I was kind of in disbelief that this could really be legal. Really, it left me speechless.
And the repercussions of this for you personally are what? What do you want the judge to know about what this has done to you?
This is personal, and this should definitely be illegal. We need to make laws. We need to create awareness for this and make laws to make this illegal. I definitely feel violated. It's crazy to think that if I go outside in Seattle and some man starts filling up my dress, what are my choices? I can say, please don't do that, and he could ignore me. I could kick him, and he could sue me. So I think I need a better alternative than that. We need to protect our women, give us something. How do we protect ourselves?
You said that you started taking self-defense classes, that this does have a kind of ripple effect on your confidence going out.
Right. We really need to be independent, and I know that I have to protect myself, and self-defense is a step to that independence.
So what do you think would be the right thing, the right law, I guess, and the right sentence for somebody who did this? What seems just to you?
If you asked me a couple years ago, I would have said 5 years, because this is really important. This should not be happening. I would say 2 years. This is unbelievable still to me. You know, if I went outside and ran naked, that's okay. I mean, that's illegal. But somebody else can look up my skirt and that's fine? That's ridiculous.
Well, again, Jolene Jang, thank you for being here. I think you've raised the questions a lot of people raised when they heard this ruling, and as we know, there is a possibility that state lawmakers are going to do something about it. Again, thanks to you for coming by. We'll get the weather again from Tony Perkins now.
All right, thank you very much, Diana. Good morning, everybody. We have got so much going on in the tropics right now. I want to get right to that.